Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. Samsung has officially introduced the Galaxy Buds 3 FE to the Vietnamese market, marking the return of the Fan Edition line after a period of absence. Positioned as a mid-range offering yet carrying features that rival premium models, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE arrives as the successor to the Galaxy Buds FE, delivering significant improvements in design, audio performance, and battery life. The charging case is compact at 48.7 by 58.9 by 24.4 mm and weighs only 41.8 grams, making it exceptionally easy to carry in a pocket or bag, with a rectangular form softened by rounded corners and a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The case feels refined, modern, and practical. A standout feature is the transparent lid that reveals the earbuds inside, giving the accessory a stylish and distinctive look. Compared to more conventional competitors, the bottom edge houses the Type-C charging port alongside a pairing button, ensuring both function and convenience. Once in hand, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE immediately impresses with its brand new blade-style design that departs from the traditional in-ear approach of the Buds FE, borrowing inspiration from Samsung's flagship Buds 3 series. This stemmed form factor not only creates a more contemporary aesthetic but also improves usability. The straight yet subtly curved lines of the stems strike a balance between simplicity and elegance, while the lightweight build of only 5 grams per earbud ensures comfort for prolonged use. Available in black and gray, both with matte finishes accented by semi-transparent highlights, the Buds 3 FE achieves a youthful, stylish, and distinctive look. The earbuds are crafted from premium plastic, combined with soft silicone ear tips, and Samsung includes 3 different tip sizes. SML to guarantee a secure and comfortable fit that minimizes pressure during long listening sessions. In terms of sound, the Buds 3 FE makes a considerable leap forward by upgrading to an 11mm dynamic driver, significantly larger than the 6.5mm driver inside its predecessor. This delivers deeper and punchier bass, clearer mids, and brighter trebles, providing a well-rounded and powerful audio experience. The upgraded active noise cancellation ANC system further elevates listening, effectively blocking environmental noise to create an immersive soundstage for times when users need to stay aware of their surroundings. Ambient sound mode allows fine-tuned control over the level of external audio let in, striking the right balance between focus and awareness. Call quality has also been enhanced thanks to Samsung's crystal clear call system, which integrates 3 precisely positioned microphones that capture voice directly from the user's mouth while using advanced machine learning algorithms to separate speech from background noise. This ensures clear and uninterrupted conversations, even in bustling environments. Codec support includes Samsung Seamless Codec, SSC, AAC, and SBC, maintaining compatibility across a wide range of devices, though it omits the higher quality SSC-UHQ codec found on the more expensive Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade lies in the integration of Galaxy AI, which adds a layer of intelligence to the listening experience. Through voice activation with Hey Google, users can access schedules, emails, and tasks hands-free, while the interpreter feature and live translate bring real-time translation during lectures, calls, or multilingual conversations, provided the earbuds are paired with a compatible Galaxy device. Connectivity has also been modernized with Bluetooth 5.4, a step up from the Bluetooth 5.2 on the earlier Buds FE, offering more stable and efficient connections. Auto Switch allows seamless transitions between Galaxy smartphones, tablets, and laptops running One UI 4.1.1 or later, while the Galaxy wearable app unlocks further customization, such as EQ adjustments, ANC and ambient mode controls, firmware updates, and more. Battery life continues to be a strong point, with each earbud housing a 53 mAh cell and the case providing 515 mAh. Users can expect up to 8.5 hours of music playback, 30 hours total with the case when ANC is off, or 6 hours 24 hours with the case when ANC is enabled. For calls, the earbuds last around 4 hours, extending to 18 hours with the charging case. Compared to the Galaxy Buds FE, the Buds 3 FE also improves durability with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, an upgrade from the previous IPX2 protection. Altogether, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE stands out as an impressive return of the Fan Edition concept, with its refined design, larger drivers for stronger audio, smarter ANC, enhanced call clarity, integration of Galaxy AI translation and assistant features, and reliable battery life. It positions itself as a mid-range earbud that punches far above its weight, making it a practical yet premium choice for users who want cutting-edge features without stepping into flagship pricing.